Think YouTube is just a playground for the young, a space dominated by Gen Z trends and fleeting viral moments? Think again. It's time to shatter that misconception. Your age and experience aren't liabilities. They are your secret weapons, your unique selling proposition in a crowded digital landscape. You've lived, learned, and overcome, weathered storms, celebrated triumphs, and gathered a wealth of knowledge along the way. That translates into stories and insights that younger creators simply can't offer, perspectives that resonate with a vast, often overlooked audience. The world doesn't need another teenager reacting to video games or doing the latest dance craze. It needs your real-world wisdom, your seasoned advice, and your authentic take on life's challenges and opportunities. Authenticity is what people crave in an increasingly filtered and curated online world. And your life has given you a voice that stands out, a unique perspective forged in the fires of experience. Forget the tech barrier, the fear of complicated software or intimidating equipment. AI now makes creating videos easier than ever, leveling the playing field and ensuring that anyone, no matter your background, can share their story with the world. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a digital native to make compelling content. You just need a story and the courage to share it, the willingness to connect with others on a human level. Your decades of experience are a gold mine for content ideas and instant credibility, providing a foundation of trust that viewers will value. With AI handling the technical side, automating the tedious tasks of editing and optimization, you're free to focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience and sharing your passion with the world. The best time to start is now. Don't let another day pass by without sharing your unique voice. Believe in the value of your story, embrace your experience, and get ready to inspire a whole new generation of viewers. Your niche is where your experience shines. It's the intersection of what you know, what you love, and what the world needs. Think about the unique skills and knowledge you've accumulated over the years. Don't try to cover everything. Focus on what you know best. Trying to be a jack of all trades will only dilute your message and spread you too thin. Instead, identify the core areas where you possess genuine expertise. List your passions, skills, and life lessons. Write down everything that comes to mind, no matter how big or small it may seem. Consider the challenges you've overcome and the wisdom you've gained along the way. That's your content goldmine. These are the raw materials you'll use to create compelling and valuable content for your audience. Audiences want experts who solve real problems. They're searching for reliable information and practical solutions to their everyday challenges. Your unique perspective fills gaps others miss. You bring a wealth of experience and insights that can offer a fresh take on familiar topics. Research your ideas on YouTube. See what's already out there and identify opportunities to differentiate yourself. Competition means there's an audience, but your story makes you stand out. Don't be afraid to share your personal experiences and connect with your viewers on a deeper level. Look for underserved topics, areas where there's demand but limited content. Maybe sustainable fitness over 50, catering to an audience seeking eco-conscious ways to stay active, or classic wardrobe building, helping individuals create a timeless and versatile style. Pick a niche you love, not just one you think will be popular. Your genuine enthusiasm will shine through and attract viewers who share your interests. Passion keeps you going. It fuels your creativity and motivates you to consistently create high-quality content. Your enthusiasm is contagious and builds trust. When viewers see your passion, they're more likely to believe in your message and connect with you on a personal level. Authenticity turns viewers into loyal subscribers. People are drawn to genuine personalities and honest perspectives. Don't overthink it. Your perfect niche is hidden in your life story. Reflect on your past experiences, both good and bad, and identify the common threads that connect them. Start with what excites you, and your audience will follow. Let your passion be your guide, and trust that the right people will be drawn to your message. Your experience is your viral advantage. Embrace your unique journey and share your wisdom with the world. Don't let gear stop you. Your smartphone is all you need to start. Great audio and good lighting matter more than expensive cameras. A $20 microphone and natural light from a window can make your videos look and sound professional. AI tools can clean up your audio, blur your background, and even create virtual sets. No tech skills required. Focus on your message, not the equipment. Your phone, a window, and AI are your production studio. The tech is now a bridge, not a barrier. Start simple, start now. Let AI handle the rest. Stuck for ideas? AI is your brainstorming buddy. Ask AI for video ideas, outlines, or even full scripts tailored to your niche. Use AI drafts as a starting point, add your stories and personality. Editing is easier than ever. AI tools let you cut video by editing text, add captions, and suggest music or B-roll. AI can help you craft titles, descriptions, and even design thumbnails that grab attention. The technical side is now just a few clicks. From idea to upload, AI is your creative co-pilot. Focus on sharing your wisdom. Let AI handle the tedious parts. You bring the experience, AI brings the efficiency. Together, you can create content that connects. You know your value, the unique perspective you bring, and the incredible tools at your disposal. You've spent time learning, absorbing information, and honing your skills. Now is the moment to translate that knowledge into action. It's time to stop planning and start doing. Don't just watch others succeed from the sidelines. Commit to recording your first video this week. Set a date, circle it on your calendar, and treat it like an important appointment, even if it's just for yourself to start. Use your phone. It's a powerful tool in your pocket. Stand by a window to take advantage of natural light. Good lighting can make a huge difference in the quality of your video. And share just one concise piece of advice from your niche. Focus on providing value to your potential audience. Remember, the ultimate goal is progress, not perfection. Don't get bogged down in the details, just keep moving forward. Your first video is often the most important because it's the biggest hurdle. Every single creator, no matter how successful, started as a beginner, just like you. The key difference is that they kept going, even when it was challenging. Strive to improve a little with each video you create, and always focus on serving your audience and providing them with valuable content. Give yourself permission to start small, embrace the learning process, and grow as you go. The opportunity to share your voice is here, and your unique perspective is needed in the world. If you're feeling inspired, don't hesitate. Take action right now. Don't let another year pass by without sharing your gifts with the world. For more valuable tips and free AI resources to help you on your journey, be sure to check the link in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for ongoing support and guidance on your creator journey. Start creating today. Your story matters, and the world is waiting to hear it.